So, is I cut my hair and we're gonna go eat at Fresh Cooks. So excited. We've been wanting to try this place for a while.
Wait, let's see the fit.
Oh. Wow.
That's tough.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what should we get? Dumplings and fruit teacup. Yeah! Don't play.
Oh, hold on. That's tough. Is that the thumbnail?
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, her ears are dumplings.
Ew. Okay, let's go.
Okay. This is so cool. Are you freaking kidding me? Yeah, the frozen yogurt.
Wow.
She can. We have to get these.
How much are we on? 25, right?
Oh, alright. We can keep going. That one. Should we get them?
Szechuan chocolate.
Charcoal, Szechuan.
Hey, what's this one?
Oh.
I think it's in the specials.
Yeah, I think it was the specials.
I think so. How much is it?
13. That's fine. Going done, Faye?
Where should we sit so we can record? Over there.
Yeah, so we can muck. What do they say? Mukbangs?
Do you want to try a little bit?
Yeah, let's try it. What are the flavors?
It's just lime water.
Okay, really refreshing.
Wow, that's really good.
This is the juice. What is it?
I think I'm just gonna have the lime water. I can try.
Cutlery station. I got a tripod today too. It's really cool. Make your sauce and stuff. Thank you. Wow. The camera eats first. So they're the spicy noodles.
It's the dumplings. This is the black belt.
Yeah. Sorry, that really took me by surprise. The pan-fried dumplings, pan-fried soup dumplings, regular soup dumplings. Should we talk about the political and economic state of the world? Oh, here's your spoon.
It's pretty weird vibes in there though. It looks really good though.
I thought it was a pan-fried soup dumpling, but it's literally like deep fried. How did they do that? Now for the noodles. I reckon they need a bit of soy. Okay, we're gonna eat all of this.
No, all these TVs are giving the noodles vibes.
It's like
It's like they kill people.
it feels like we're in America right now. I don't know. It's like Futurama.
It's like overstimulation. Put the camera on the roof. Great.
No, they're doing too much in here. Oh shoot, we haven't even touched that.
Yeah, I know. We have to go crazy. Yeah,
You go. After you. After you.
It was authentic vibes, so.
No. yummy.
Is it like
Kind of struggling.
he's doing the noodle bending?
Ridiculous. No, stop! Can you ever do that? After you eat and you go, like after you eat, you're like, mmm. Now for a sweet treat.
Some merch. Maybe merch.
Oh, I actually might have a $2 coin. Hey. Bye. Yeah, that was really tasty. What would you rate it out of 10?
7. What time is it?
Time for a sweet treat. No, I'll say what you just said to me. Time for a watch, sweetheart.
I'm not watch sweetheart. That's the one.
Hmm? Nice.
Monkey King.
Oh.
That bookstore puts me in the worst mood ever.
It's really nice and homely in there though. Is it time for a sweet treat?
Possibly.
Yum. Oh my goodness. Right when we go for a walk to try and be healthy, huh? Yum.
Why are they so tall?
You should see from this angle. So fun. So what did you get?
Just acai and scoff.
And then I got pistachio and Nutella. Yum. God.
Nah, you can't. Nah.
Go.
Nah,
Just
try
one bite.
Oh my god, look over there, look over there. Wait, move the camera as well.